Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand functional dependency and the interference rule used in DBMS. This is a very important theoretical question for the exam point of view. So let's start with the definition. A functional dependency is a constraint that defines a relationship between two sets of attributes in a relation. It is written as x determines y, which means if we know x, we can uniquely determine y. So now let us understand some key characteristics. The first one is determinant and dependent. The left hand side x is called the determinant and the right hand side y is called the dependent. So second one is semantic nature. In semantic nature, functional dependency are based on real world meaning, not just data values. Now third one is defined by the designer. So these are the specified by database designer based on the requirements. So now let's move to the inference rule. Inference rules are used to drive new functional dependencies from the existing one. They are based on Armstrong axioms and their drive values. So let's look at the important drive rules. So first one is union rule. If x determines y and x determines z, then x determines both y and z together. For example, if SSN determines employee name and SSN determines address, then SSN determines both employee name and the address. Second is decomposition rule. If x determines is a set of attributes y and z together, then x determines y and x determines z separately. For example, if SSN determines employee name and address, then it determines each individually. This is all the decomposition rule. Now move to third one, which is pseudo transitivity rule. If x determines y and y along with the z determines w, then x along with z determines w. For example, if SSN determines department number and department number along with the location determines manager, then SSN and location together determine the manager. Now move to next one, which is self-determination rule. So in self-determination rule, if any attribute set always determine itself, this is called a trivial dependency. So in this conclusion, we can say that functional dependency defines relationship between attributes, and the inference rules helps us derive new dependencies, which are useful in normalization and data design. So like that, you have to explain in the examination along with the proper examples of each term. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You can check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.